Hello again and welcome back to this session that I'm just going to explain to you how to get the access to the data sets that you are going to use for the rest of the course. In order to get the access to the Alzheimer's disease, we have two options. Either you can just create an account with the Oasis, database, which is a kind of an open access series of the imaging studies which is dedicated as an open source for the Alzheimer's disease for all the researchers around the world. And at the same time, you can get the same datasets from the Kaggle website. And also, I have uploaded the datasets that is required for this analysis at the same package that you're going to see it right now here. You see that you can also go to your course, and at the section that we're going to talk about how to get the access to the data for the Alzheimer's, there's a section, this is called for the longitudinal data upload, and there's a section for the resources, which is, which follows the same tutorial which I'm just going to have right now. And over there, you click on the CSV file, save it on your desktop, and from the next tutorial, we're just going to move on and just use that data sets. Then essentially, that's all for this tutorial. I hope that everyone is able to just upload the datasets. Specifically, if you do not have any accounts on the Oasis or the Kaggle, you can very easily upload the datasets from my, course, from the same resources folder which I have here, and we're going to get ready for the next tutorials when we do some kind of data exploration analysis before we just move on to the Bayesian methods and multi-level Bayesian methods for the analysis. Then I can't wait to see you back at the next tutorial.